Salamat po, Miss Baby.
Ayan.
So, ito po yung pinaka-ano natin. I'll jump into the packages. So, we're going to be offering 4 packages through this company. So, what we have is the trial, the starter, the elite, and the business. So, how much is the package? Now, the package will consist, of course, depending on the product that you're going to be getting. But for the trial, it starts at around 1,000 pesos. The starter starts around 5,000 pesos. Elite starts around 25,000 pesos and the business package starts at around 100,000 pesos. So, depending on the depending on the package that you actually get, you will be getting rebates for that. So, the rebates for the trial is 10%, starter is 15%, elite is 20%, and the business is 30%. Okay? So, what are the rebates? These are technically the rebates that you get every time you purchase the product. So what are the products? Para lang may idea kayo kasi marami nagtatanong eh. So the first product that we're gonna be showcasing is the Ultimate Glow. Okay? Ito medyo ano to para din sa mga taong gustong magpaganda. Sino ba dito gusto magpaganda? Taas ang kamay. Yan. Di ba? Maraming mga vein tayo ha. Nakikita kayo ako. So ano ba meron dito? May glutathione. It's a mixture of glutathione, collagen, may L-carnitine, may L-arginine rin siya, may Garcinia cambogia. Kung alam niyo po yung Garcinia cambogia, ano yan eh, para mawala yung appetite. So ito po yung produkto na gaganda ka na, mag-glow ka, plus maglo-lose weight ka pa. So it's like a really powerful supplement that gives everything already. Plus, pinalagyan pa namin ng deer stem cell extract. So imagine mo may stem cell po siya. It's really powerful. So this is like one of the game changers din na ilalabas natin. Of course, a lot of you are more than familiar with this. We just repackaged it and this is the Nitric Plus. Now the Nitric Plus focuses on the blood flow. Pinagaganda niya po yung daloy ng dugo natin kasi nga alam naman natin na isa to sa pinakamaraming kalaban ngayon, lalong-lalo na alam mo naman yung mga health yung mga health conscious, we really need this. Okay, so what it does, it stretches down yung ating blood vessels and it makes your blood flow naturally. Mas gumaganda ang blood pressure mo at alam natin ang number 1 na kalaban ngayon is cardiac arrest. Yes or yes? Ako, I just found out that a few days ago, may mga nasawi na naman sa cardiac arrest. Ang pinakamalala, magugulat ka sa edad. Umaabot na po ng nasa 29 years old yung isang kasama po namin. So imagine mo, hindi na po usapan kung gaano na ang edad eh. Yung kahit bata, tinatamaan na ng ganito. Are you learning, guys? Yun, salamat. And of course, we are going to be relaunching a wonderful and ito talaga hinahanap-hanap ng marami ang ating kombucha matcha oil. This is an all-over oil. It has what we call kombucha and of course matcha, very powerful antioxidants. It's a very powerful mixture of around 8 essential oils na pinagsama-sama na ito po literally kahit saang parte ng katawan mo pwede mo siyang gamitin. It gives you instant relief. It actually is very good with sa mga konting mga rashes, sa mga sugat. Ang galing na nito. And I can say this is like one of the products that is until now hindi pwedeng mawala sa sa bag mo. Ito yung produktong kailangan mo talaga. Okay? So these are just some of the products that we're going to be coming out. Okay? Ngayon pa lang yan. And we are going to have more. Pakisabi more. Sige po, pakisabi more. There will be more products that's coming out. And like what I said, we are just starting. So these are the products that we're going to be coming out with. Okay po ba yun? Yun, salamat. So now,
Yes!
itong pinakamatinding tanong, magkano? Ayan na po. Okay. So doon sa mga very familiar naman sa SRP ng mga produktong to. The SRP stands around this, okay? So sa Ultimate Glow, the SRP is of course as a 3,500, the Nitric Plus is around 2,500 and of course yung ating Supreme Radiant Oil or yung ating kombucha matcha oil is around 2,300. That is the SRP. But when you decide to come in to this business, we will not be charging you the SRP, but we will automatically base it on the distributor price kaagad. Okay? Is that good news? Distributor price na kaagad. Ang pinaka-best dito, when you buy the package, the next time you purchase it, meron ka pang additional rebates. Do you understand that? May additional rebate. Kanina pinakita ko sa'yo, may 10, may 15, tama? Up to 30% rebates pa. So imagine mo, instant discount just to become part of this. So, let's go back to the packages. Pakita ko na sa inyo sandali. Now, the trial package, you can choose any product. Basta pasok within 1,000 up to 4,999. So, ibig sabihin, you want to get the oil, you get it for 1,800, you're already a trial package. If you get the Nitric Plus, diba, that's 1,999, you're automatically pasok ka sa trial package. All right? Now, let's say you want a bigger, diba, you want more products, then you can choose the elite package. Kasi yung iba, for example, yung iba kumuha ng 3, kumuha ng 4, syempre lagpas na siya ng 5,000. Yes or yes? So once you get that, you are in the starter package na. So what we did with the system, you can choose any product that you want at meron rin po kaming pre-chosen products. So meron tayong a combination of 2 nitric, 1 supreme hydrating oil, meron 2 hydrating oil, may 1 nitric, at meron rin tayong 2 glow, an ultimate glow. So it's really up to you what you want. Pili ka lang. Okay mo ba yun? Di ba? Mas masarap na mas may freedom tayo what to choose. So these are just examples. Now, if it reaches more than 25,000, it now goes to the elite package. Pasok ka na ngayon sa elite. So pag elite package ka na, you get around 20% rebates na dyan. And you can choose, like what I said, you can choose from the packages that we've created or make your own. I want to emphasize on that. You can make your own. Ikaw bahala kung anong gusto mo. And once you reach more than 100,000, you are already a business package owner. For this, you get 30% rebates already from your next purchases. Okay? So I wanna imagine mo to I mean, for the lovers na gusto nila puro ultimate glow, for the lovers na gusto nila puro nitric plus, yung mga lovers naman na gustong-gusto lang yung oil, you can choose with this. Or get the combination of the package A. Nandiyan dyan lahat, 16, 16, 16. Halo-halo na yan, equally divided, but you get it around 105,000. Does it make sense? Yes? Okay, salamat, salamat. I hope nakakahabol pa yung iba. Okay, so now, ito na may exciting part. How do we make money? How many of you would love to know how we can make money here? Sige nga, by a show of hands. Sige, I want to see. Kiklik ko to. Yon, salamat. Ayan na. Sige nga, pakipress nga 1 if you want to see how we can make money here. Siyempre, mga negosyante tayo. Yes, salamat. Salamat sa yan. Thank you so much. Okay, so now, so let me highlight this. So the first way to earn, we have what we call a direct cycle bonus. Okay, ito very interesting to guys. What is a direct cycle bonus? So for example, okay, we will base it on 4 people. For example, Lani. Okay, si Lani invited somebody. So when you invite, and let's assume, punta na tayo sa biggest na kaagad. Doon na tayo sa business package. And remember this, our PV is based on 1:1 tayo. 1 PV is 1 peso. Okay, para mabilis lang yung computation. Ganun na lang, pinasimple na po namin. 1 PV, 1 peso. So Lani, you invite somebody, kumuha ng business package. Pag kumuha ng yung first invite mo, first direct mo, you will be getting, ayan, you will be getting 10%. So sa 100,000, okay, that's 100,000 PV, so you get 10% of that. So how much did you earn? 10,000 pesos. Clear? The second person that you invite personally, ikaw ang nag-sponsor. The second person, instead, iba usually pag direct, you will get 10% as well, correct? But dito sa atin, the second invite mo, you will be getting 15% na. So that's 15,000 pesos. O, di ba? Exciting, ano? Siyempre, ang nakakatuwa dito, when you invite your third successfully sponsored person sa business package, and it has to be the same packages, ha? Look at this, guys. Third mo, you get 25% and your direct referral will be 25,000 pesos. And lastly, on the fourth one that you will be inviting, ay, syempre may nagtanong sa akin nga, ano yan, 30%? Ang laki naman. Hindi. You will be getting 50% as your direct referral. So can you imagine, in just 4 people, you can earn 100,000 pesos. Good or very good? Okay. So of course, because it is a cycle, what happens naman on the 5th? It goes back to, di ba? Iikot na siya. So balik ka ulit ng 10%. So the cycle never ends. Di ba? 10, 15, 25, 50. 10, 15, 25, 50. And the good news is, you will be able to monitor this sa sarili mong system when you become a distributor. Meron po tayong system nakalagay po doon. Good or very good? Okay mo ba yun? Grabe, no? So, dyan pa lang. Okay na tayo. Okay na, tapos na tayo. Sino dito masaya? Taas ang kamay. Dito pa lang masaya na sa akin. Yes! So anyway, why is this? May mga nagtanong nga sa akin, why is this wow? Why is this big? Because at the end of the day, we want you guys to make money. We want you to make money. We want you to benefit from the products. We're not just making money. We have very good products. We have a very good compensation plan. So what else did we put in? Of course, marami sa atin gusto na yung, siyempre, network to. So meron rin tayong tinatawag na level pairing bonus. So from the level pairing bonus, you will be earning 20% per level paired. Ibig sabihin, for every level, meron kang 1 pair that goes to you. So how does this work? So kunyari si Miss Alma. Si Miss Alma ngayon, meron siyang in-invite. Business package na muna tayo para mabilis yung computation. Nagkaroon siya ng business package sa left, nagkaroon siya ng business package sa right. Ibig sabihin, may 100,000 PV yun, correct? You will be getting 20% of that. So magkano po yun? That is 20,000 PV. Ang good news, ilan ulit yung computation natin? 1 PV is to 1 peso. Ibig sabihin, Miss Alma, you have earned 20,000 PV or 20,000 pesos. Good or very good? O, diba? Ito pa pinakamatindi. Paano kung ginawa mo yung cycle? Naka-invite ka ng 4. Naka-invite ka ng 4. Tama? So doon pa lang, doon sa 4, nagkaroon ka ng 100,000. Pinosisyon mo pa ng ganito. So di ba, dalawa sa left, dalawa sa right. Magkaduktong. So ibig sabihin, diyan pa lang sa level 1, level 2, di ba pasok na sa inyo kaagad yung level pairing. So imagine mo, per level, that's 20,000. Sa ilalim, another 20,000. That is 40,000 pesos. Can you imagine with just 4 people, ang total income mo nasa 140,000 pesos. Good or very good? Sino dito happy pag ganyan? Yes! Sabi ko sa inyo. Guys, may nagtanong pa sa akin, hanggang kailan yan? Sanay tayo sa ganito. Sanay tayo na infinite. Basta every level, one on the left, one on the right, basta there is a pair, papasok sa'yo. Good or very good? Okay, yes! Very good. Okay. So now, pag hindi naman balanse, sabi natin isang business pumasok sa kabila, isang elite. So of course, obviously, we will be computing it on the lower package. Clear ba yon? That's why leaders, very important, we monitor. Alright? So now, ang good news pa dito, meron pa tayong group pairing. Kasi syempre, ang question dyan, what happens dun naman sa mga ibang packages? Where does it go? After the level pairing, all of the other packages will be put in sa group pairing mo. And the good news is, nakadepende ang group pairing bonus mo, depende sa position mo. If you're a trial, you will be getting 5%. A starter is 8%, elite is 10%, and of course, a business package is 12%. Ito ngayon na nakaka-excite. Magkano tayo per day? Take note guys, hindi tayo per week, per day. Sa per day natin, Pag trial po ay maximum of 2,500. A starter can give you a maximum income sa group pairing alone na 15,000 pesos. Sa elite, it's 50,000 pesos per day. And of course, sa business package natin, it's 200,000 per day. Okay po ba yun? Ayan. Tapos, may maximum PV na napapasok sa ating system, which is dun sa strong leg, the maximum PV that can come in is around 25,000 PV. Sa elite po, it's 250,000. Sa starter is 250,000. The elite, 2.5 million PV. And of course, ang business package, because this is the best package if you ask me, it's 10,000 PV. Ang maximum carried over PV natin. Good? Good or very good? Now, paano to? Ayan na. Bigyan ko kayo ng example. Paano ang group pairing? Ganito lang yan, ha? So, gamitin naman natin si Arsenia. Miss Arsenia, ikaw na lang gagamitin ko naman, ha? Di ba? So, Miss Arsenia, sa grupo mo, sabihin na lang natin, ha? In one leg, humataw yung grupo mo, nagkaroon ka ng 1.2 million PV sa left group mo. Sa right group mo, nagkaroon ng 1 million PV. So, let's assume si Miss Arsenia is a business package holder. So sa business package, ang basis natin ngayon, di ba, sa 1 million, babangga ngayon kay 1.2, alright, magpe-pair sila. So dun sa 1 million na pair, you will be getting 12% from that 1 million PV. So 12% of 1 million PV, that's 120,000 pesos. Yan po yung kinita mo sa group pairing. Good or very good? Yes. Ano nga yung mangyayari doon sa 200,000 na naiwan? It will be carried over the following day. Gets? Okay, very good. And I want you to remember that the level pairing and group pairing, meron pong, meron pong pupuntahan yan. Mamaya i-discuss ko yan. Okay? So far, so good? Yes? Salamat po. Okay, salamat. Sige nga. So, pasok na tayo. Okay. Ito naman yung kagandahan. So for example, si Miss Arsenia, okay, meron siyang network, di ba, kumikita siya. Sabihin na lang natin, ako na-invite niya po. Ang good news dito, Miss Arsenia, pag ako po kumita sa group bonus, sa group bonus natin, dahil ikaw ang nag-invite sa akin, ikaw yung direct sponsor ko, every time kumikita ako doon sa group pairing, meron ka pong 5% na matatanggap out of that. So kung kumita po ako, sabihin na lang natin, kumita ako ng 10,000 pesos, o di ba, 5%, di ba 500 ka? Pwede na, di ba? Goods? O di ba? Imagine mo to, lahat ng direct mo. Yung na-invite ko naman, it goes down. Not just sa akin yung 5%, it goes down up to 3 levels po. 5, 5, 5. Para lang sardinas. O di ba? 5, 5, 5. Meron ka po kikitain every time kumikita yung tao mo. That's what I love about this, because ikaw talaga as a leader, aalagaan mo talaga yung tao mo, because at the end of the day, we want all of our people to make money. Yes or yes? So yan po talaga yung create natin. So meron tayong leadership bonus. Another bonus na meron tayo, because eventually kasi lalaki yung network mo, lalaki yung team natin. How many of you believe na maraming yayaman dito sa ginagawa natin? Yes or yes? Sige nga. Ako honestly, grabe. When we were computing it, we know that we can make it, because at the end of the day, the leadership of what we have is amazing. And that's why we created this, the rank up bonus. Now, what is the rank up bonus? Besides the business package, besides the elite package, meron po tayong rank up. Once lumalaki yung organization mo, dumadagdag po yung rebates mo. Dumadagdag yung income mo. Now, how does this work? So, tignan nyo meron tayong associate director, executive director, senior director, at yung pinakamataas natin so far is the presidential director. Now, how do you get this? Bakit tayo may ganito? Because when you're a business package, for example, si Miss Lani na lang ulit gagamitin ko. So, di ba? Si Miss Lani is a business package. Once you achieve associate director, yung 30% na rebates mo, dadagdagan pa natin ng 5%. Klaro ba yun? 30. So magiging ilan ka na? 35. Pag naging executive director ka, obviously, magiging 10 na. So 30 plus 10%. Gets mo? Kaya pag naging presidential director ka, ibig sabihin 30% ka na as business package plus 20% from the rank up bonus. That's how it works. So how do you achieve this? Simple lang. Ganyan lang oh. That is you. Once you have 750,000 PV sa left side and 750,000 PV on the right side, automatic rank up ka na to associate director. Good. Ganun lang kasimple. Tapos, pag sa kabila mo may nag-associate director na at sa kabila mo rin may nag-associate director ka na, ang rank up mo na is executive director na. O, diba? Ganun lang kasimple. O, paano ngayon, what is the next step? Ganito lang yung next step natin. Pag meron ka ng executive director sa left at sa right, ibig sabihin, senior director ka na. Alright? Clear ba? And this is kailangan nasa family tree mo. Ibig sabihin, hindi mo kailangan direct. Basta kasama siya sa direct na line mo. Anyone who becomes an executive director at sa kabila, executive director sa kabila, you are a senior director immediately. And lastly, of course, syempre, itong goal natin. Gusto ko lahat ng nandito ngayon na nasa Zoom, kailangan maging presidential director. So how do you do that? Become a senior director on the left, have a senior director on the left, and on the right, you are a presidential director na po. Good? Okay, very good. At least malinaw tayo ha. Make it simple para at least ano. And meron naman po tayo later breakout rooms if you have anything to clarify. Good? Meron nga ba, Sir Oli? Meron, no?
Yes.
Thank you.
Yes.
Thank you, DM. Okay. So now, moving forward, guys. Excited pa ba kayo? Di ba?
Yes.
Yun, oh, I love it. Exciting. Di ba? Okay, so balik na tayo dito. Matapos na po ako. So now, ito naman yung pinaka the best na tanong. Siyempre, may nagtanong sa akin. Sabi niya, paano pag pareho na kami na ranking? So, ibig sabihin, breakaway na siya sa team ko. For some companies, yes, it will happen. Pero sa atin, we want to honor the leaders. We want to honor the leadership. That's why we created the leadership reward. So for example, if Lani invites me, she becomes a presidential director, I become a presidential director. The good news is, every time I purchase and my team purchases sa organization, she still gets 5% based on the PV. Meron ka pa ring bonus doon. That is what you call the leadership reward. And where does it end? It ends up to the 5th level, Lani. From 5, di ba? First level is 5%, second level is 4%, third level is 3%, fourth level is 2%, and of course, the 5th level, you still get 1%. May possibility hindi mo nakakilala yan. Yes or yes? But you will still be earning from that. Good or very good? Okay, so how does this, this actually works out in the overriding eh. So just to show you how the overriding works, ito yung pinaka nakakakilig dito eh. Okay, so for example, sabihin na lang natin si Sir Oli. Si Sir Oli ngayon siya ay business package. Na-invite niya ako, bumili lang ako ng trial. Di ba? Parang ang babaw, no? Ba't nag-trial ka? Gusto ko i-try. So trial. So ang good news dito, every time, syempre, ako naniniwala ako, what you are, you attract eh. So, because I'm a trial, I attracted a lot of trial rin. So, trial. Ito ngayon. So, lahat kami ngayon, puro kami, pare-parehong rebates, 10%. Pero ang good news dahil si Sir Oli, because he is my direct sponsored, he gets 30%. So, what happens now? Yung difference from the 10% to 30%, ilan yon? Ilan ang difference on? 20, very good. Nakita ko yung mga bibig nyo. Gumanon eh. 20, nag-20. Alam nyo ba, based on the PV, kukumpitin niya ng company at kukunin dyan yung 20% at yung overriding na yan, mapupunta lahat kay Sir Oli. Good or very good? Saya, di ba? So dito, masaya tayong nagne-network, masaya tayong nagbibuild ng grupo, at masaya rin tayo na nagre-retail. Napansin mo balanse? Good or very good? Ito ba yung nakakatawa dyan? E paano naman pag pareho na? O ito na, sinagad na namin. Sabihin na lang natin, dito ngayon nagkikik yung ating leadership reward. For example, si Sir Oli, ako kasi nabuhusan ako ng malamig na tubig. Sabi ko, kailangan business package din ako. So sabihin na lang natin, nagkapareho na kaming business package. Trumabaho rin ako, nagkapareho na rin kaming presidential director. This is the beautiful part. Every time the team makes a sale, Sir Oli, as my direct upline, still gets a leadership reward of 5% from me. Good or very good? Guys, ito na yung sinasabi ko sa inyo. Ito yung, kaya nga wag ka magtaka bakit ang mga Chinese, they make a lot of money because they don't think about the immediate income. They think about, di ba? The big income na maliliit-liit pero volume. Pakisabi volume. Yan yun. Yan yung isang masaya dito sa gagawin natin. Plus, ito po medyo isi-share ko lang sa inyo. In the future, we are developing what we call e-commerce. And one of the things that we're going to be building is an e-com community. And the good news is, you want some good news? Gusto mo yung good news? Alam niyo ba e-com? Siguro naman sino dito nakabili na sa Shopee, sa Lazada? Meron naman. What if I tell you na when we do partnerships with certain e-com platforms, pag nagkaroon tayo ng partnerships dyan, would it be beautiful if every person in your network buys something in Lazada and Shopee, you also get rebates? Would you like that?
Yes!
And that's what we are planning. We are actually right now developing it. That's why give us more time. We're doing it right now, but this is the promise. We are going to be partners with a platform that can give us these rebates. Because why? Because number one, we can, and number two, you guys deserve it. Would you like that?
Yes!
Perfect. And the good news is, guys, our business, we've created also the e-wallet. Now, the e-wallet now, remember sinabi ko sa yung group pairing at saka level pairing? The group pairing and level pairing, at dito po nag-activate dito sa e-wallet natin. Sa e-wallet natin, 80% will be going to your income wallet. Bonus wallet mo yan. Yung 20%, it goes to your 4 wallets. Number 1, yung e-com wallet. There will be part of your money, we can use it in the platform. Good news ba yun? Number 2, we have what we call our repeat purchase wallet. For our leaders and of course as an active member, meron tayong mga repeat purchases that we are going to be doing. Yes? And you can actually get it. You can use the repeat purchase wallet dyan. Number 3, how many of you would love to have incentives in the company? Sino dito gusto rin mag-travel? Sino dito yung may mga pupuntahan tayong mga lugar, local, international? Meron rin tayong mga gadgets, may mga vehicles na pwede nating ilagay sa incentive wallet natin. And you can use that. Pwede nyong gamitin yon. Good news ba yun? And lastly, ito po,
yes!
Ginawa po naming mandatory kasi gusto namin talaga kayong tulungan in your journey dito sa business natin. It's what we call the savings wallet. The savings wallet is 5% of your income from the level pairing and group pairing. We will be putting it sa savings wallet natin. And ang good news ito, we will be giving it out every 6 months. Para ka pong nagkakaroon ka ng ipon sa company. Pero ibibigay rin po namin every 6 months. So this is your money. Good or very good? Okay ba po yun? Does that sound good?
Yes!
And lastly, ladies and gentlemen, ito yung nakaka-excite na part. Tapos na po ako. All right, guys. I hope you got something and you learned something today. Alam ko po, very interesting on what's happening right now. And it's a privilege and it's really a privilege to be here with you and just sharing to you what we have been working on. And I hope you can be part of this journey with us. God bless you. I speak blessing to you and your whole family.
Right. Thank you so much. Yan. Anyway, okay. So, syempre, nakita nyo today, I'm sure iba sa inyo parang, paano yun? Baka pwede hindi nyo pa naintindihan. Ang nakita nyo lang is parang puro bilog-bilog o whatever, di ba? Pero I'm sure yung iba sa inyo, tumatak talaga, pwedeng kumita ng malaking pera. Lalo na pag pumasok yung e-com namin, we are really thinking kung paano tayo kumita ng bilyon. Sinong gusto kumita ng bilyon? Nasa kamay! Alright, so, number
Yes!
one, bakit ko nasasabi that we have the chance to make millions of money here? Number one, we have a very, 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 very good product. Sobrang proven and tested. So many testimonials na po talaga yung products. At the same time, we're coming up, marami mga dumadating na po na bagong product that you will really enjoy and you will love it. At the same time, yung mga platform na lalabas sa atin, yung nakita nyo po today, is just a tip of the iceberg pa lang po yan. Alam niyo kung bakit? It's because pag nakita nyo talaga yung system, alam mo yung AI natin will work for you. Yung mga QR code, lalabas sa atin yan, ipipindutin na lang, i-click mo na lang yung QR code, pipicturean mo na lang. Sila na yung magpe-present para sa inyo. Gusto nyo ba yon? Yung parang like yung sa mga products natin, you know, may mga AI na doon na nag-explain kahit hindi na ikaw yung mag-explain. We are going, kasi nasa, ano na tayo, anong age ba tayo? Hindi naman millennial age ngayon, no? Parang ako kasi yun eh. Ano ba? Ano ba tawag? AI age. Nasa AI na tayo, kaya sumabay tayo doon, di ba? Kasi para maging convenient para sa lahat, ang importante na lang talaga is ikaw. Yung talaga yung conviction mo sa sarili mo, yung paniniwala mo sa sarili mo, na talagang gusto mo at kaya mo rin talagang magbago ang buhay mo at the whole family.
Alam niyo, totoo lang, kami nag-usap-usap. We've been into network marketing ako personally, I started at 1996 as a networker. And talagang yan ang puso namin, the bloodstream from Way Era, Aloe Vera, company pa, grabe po. And talagang ang dami namin pinagdaanan talaga. And alam niyo, totoo lang, isa lang ang nakikita ko. Ako personally, I will be direct to the point. And probably sabi nga ni hindi po kami perfecto, ang dami naming pagkakamali, and we learn from all those mistakes. Okay? Pero isa lang nakita ko sa network marketing. And the figures will say, that's why maraming tao po sa network marketing ayaw na mag-network. Kahit na sabihin, pakitaan mo pa ng kotse, pakitaan mo pa ng bahay, nagbago na ang buhay mo. Diba? Nagka-resulta ka na, ayaw pa rin nila. Bakit po? Kasi ayaw nilang daanan yung dinaanan natin. But while saying that, meron kasing paraan. Meron paraan. And I'm a physical therapist by profession, pero I'm always been fascinated with system. I'm always fascinated with technology. And I believe right now, talagang totoo lang, with my past company, yung past company namin, some of you are in that past company, isa lang ang battle cry ko. Sabi ko, we will use system to make it simple. Not easy, simple for people to achieve success. And kung titignan nyo po, yung tipo, kasi hindi lahat ng tao magaling magsalita. Of course, you will learn it. Ang grabe po ang ating trainer po, talagang yan po yung pagkakaiba po namin. Si DM, okay, Director of Mentorship, si Nay Baby, okay? From even a person na talagang tingin mo nobody, he will help that nobody to somebody. Doon kami may pagkakaiba. Ako naman, talagang medyo tamad ho talaga ako. I just get, yung mga magagaling na, di ba? So, meron, compliment po yan talaga. And I notice po, maraming tao na kailangan po talagang tulungan. Especially right now in the Philippines. Okay? Now, while saying that, ano ba yung vision ng kumpanya? Ano ba yung gusto ng kumpanya? Jet, are you ready, Jet? So, we know that the network industry in the Philippines is huge. There are 3 million active distributor po sa Pilipinas na professional network builder, or some are not professional. Jen, are you there? Can you show? So, kung titignan po natin ang, meron po akong screen. Okay? So, kung titignan po natin, gaano kalaki po ang sales ng networking sa Pilipinas? Gaano po kalaki? It's a 1 billion. $1 billion po. $1 billion po industry in the Philippines. Okay? So nakikita nyo na ba po?
Hindi pa.
Hindi pa, okay.
Loading po.
So, while saying that, okay, 1 billion industry po ang networking. So, ibig sabihin po, nandun po tayo, nasa $1 billion po. That is 55 billion. 55 billion po ang total sales ng networking industry sa Pilipinas. So, kung naglo-loading pa, it's okay. Now, while saying that, kung makikita po natin right now, nag-iba ang panahon. Ang Amway right now is a 60 plus years, 65 years. But you see, ang Alibaba, ang Shopee, Lazada, TikTok is bigger than Amway. Why? The e-com industry in the Philippines alone, the e-com industry is 16 trillion. So malayo po sa 50 billion, 16 trillion. And tatlong kumpanya lang po. Okay, tatlong kumpanya lang po ang naghahumahawak niyan. TikTok, Lazada, and Shopee. Ngayon, tanong, can you imagine right now? Meron umorder na ba kayo sa TikTok? Umorder na kayo sa Lazada? Nakita niyo po ba yung nagbenta sa inyo? Minsan hindi na po kayo chinat. Basta dumating na lang po yung delivery doon na nakabili kayo sa taong nag-post lang. So ang tanong, kumita, kayo po ang gumastos. Tayo po as a consumer ang gumastos. The question is, tayo ba ang kumikita? What if yung expertise natin, yung technology natin sa leveraging, yung technology natin sa network marketing, gamitin po natin sa e-com? Do you think we can get a pie sa $16 billion industry sa Philippines? Ito po, oh. So, ang network marketing is a 50 billion po. So, malaking market po. And to tell you honestly, the usual, maraming tao gusto yung traditional way of networking. But you know what? Ang sabi nga nila, when the new technology comes, the former becomes obsolete. So, kailangan na ng tao na ngayon, anong ma-offer nating iba? Okay? So, kung network marketing lang, direct selling lang, it's okay. Ang ganda ho ng product natin. We will make sure that our product, lahat ng product po natin ngayon, yung Ultimate Glow, yung Nitric Plus, Japan po lahat yan. Grabe po ang testimony niyan. Pero, NextJet, kung titignan po natin, kukunin po natin yung market na yan. Pero kukunin din po natin yung $16 billion market sa Pilipinas. Hindi natin kukunin lahat. A portion of it. Would you agree? And we have the technology of that. Kasi sa Pilipinas po, bago pa lang po ang AI technology. Ngayon, kayo po na nakikinig ngayon, the first people who listen right now, don't you worry, by God's grace, okay? We have the technology already. You haven't seen anything yet. You haven't seen anything yet. That's why we are very excited. Ano ba, overview pa lang po to. Now, next. While saying that, do you know that SME is even bigger than the e-commerce? Ito po yung tinatawag na small, medium enterprise. Magkano po ang sales ng e-commerce po sa buong Pilipinas? 10 trillion po. 10 trillion. These are the small. At most of them doesn't know about technology. Wala po silang alam. Yung sari-sari store, wala po silang alam. Yung boutique, yung mga maliliit na ganyan. We will teach them technology. And ang maganda po niya, nagawa na po namin. Hindi po to trial and error. We experience, the BIP team experience it. As from our part, yung mga ITs po namin, nagawa na po yan. Hindi po to trial and error. Okay? NextJet. Meron po tayong yung sabi po, yung QR code, nandyan na po yan. Ito po, makikita nyo po, every corner po ng ay, nako, very exciting. Next. So, yan po ang vision natin. Yan po ang vision natin. Talagang, we will use technology and, come to think of it, ito pa pinakamaganda. ang imaginin mo para ka nasa TikTok pero ikaw yung gumagawa. Pero ngayon, you can utilize AI. Meron kang sa baba po may referral link. Pag-click po nila, okay na yan, Jet. Pag-click po nila nung referral link po, diretso na po sa ordering. So, ang ginawa mo na lang talaga, pumindot at shinare yung link. Meron na rin po tayong link as early as now. We already have link. Some companies, it will take them a long, long time para magkaroon ng link. Tayo po, meron na po tayo, working na po ang ating link, referral link po. Referral link po natin sa affiliate, referral link po natin sa e-com. That's why I know na medyo overwhelmed po tayo sa nangyayari ngayon. Pero ako magsasabi po sa inyo, if I will be in your position and you let this opportunity pass by you. Wala pong pilitan, pass by you. Nandito ka po ngayon. You were picked. Marami pong tao uninformed. Hindi po sila na-inform. Because wala pong, sabi po namin, dapat pigilan pa muna. Kasi hindi pa nga po tayo nagsisimula. Pero gusto na namin kayo bigyan ng overview. Wala pa pong simula. Wala pa pong encoding, wala pa pong nagaganap. Pero ito na po, nire-ready na po namin. The question is, are you ready? Mentally, are you ready? Your heart is ready. Gusto mo na,
Yes!
yung iba po, ang dami pang bagahe. Kasi dati nag-fail ako, kasi ganito. Okay, kung ganun ka po, it's okay. Set aside ka, okay? Yung mga taong ready, yun po ang tutulungan natin. Kasi mas mabilis po sila. Yung taong maraming bagahe, maraming para kang ano po, tumatakbo ng may weights, mabagal ka po talaga. Number one rule na tinuro sa amin ng mga mentors namin, when you start something and you get the right opportunity, run as fast as you can. Kaya maraming tao nagtataka, bakit sila Nay Baby, pagpasok nila sa iyong kumpanya, number one sila. Bakit sila Upline Mark? Bakit nagna-number one sila? Kasi wala po kaming bagahe. Wala po kaming used to be. Even success is used to be. Even failure is used to be. Ngayon, we start. Okay? And then we run. If possible, we fly. Okay? This will be exciting. Ang dami po, by God's grace, this will be exciting. Ang dami po ng travel. We will treat you so good. We will treat you so nice that you will say, buti na lang po, I'm in this company. You'll be proud of this company. We might start locally, but we are set for global market. So with that, maraming salamat po. God bless you all. Thank you po.